Hello guys, magluto tayo ngayon ng banana blossom patties. Ito guys, nilaga ko na to kanina. So ang gagawin ko, didikdikin natin to guys, hiwain natin maliliit. And also, itong ating mga ingredients, flour, cornstarch, seasoning, black pepper, salt, garlic, onion, egg, and gagamit din tayo ng oil and salt again. Okay? So, ito lang guys. Ayan. So, gagawin na natin patties. So, ilalagay natin ito sa bowl natin and then lalagyan natin ng mga ingredients. Okay? So, ilalagay natin yung garlic crush, onion crush. Okay? Black pepper, salt, brown sugar, egg, one half teaspoon of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of flour. And magic syrup seasoning. Okay, so mix natin. Okay, parang ganito guys, yan. So, ipiprito na natin. Okay, so magprito na tayo. Ganyan lang guys. Sample pa lang yan. One more. And one more. So this is banana blossom patty. Balik ka rin natin both side. Ayan guys, so ganda oh. Okay? So magluto na kayo ng banana blossom patty.